Today we're gonna be mounting our TV on our brick fireplace.
Don't need those.
Who needs those?
These are probably
Hey.
concrete wall anchor not included.
We looked at the specs of our TV and it's 86 pounds, so we got a mount that's rated to hold that weight.
Your beer, sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Some
we got
sleeves.
beer.
And we got beer. And we got some sleeved anchors that's gonna let us mount the bracket to the brick wall. Yeah, what should we do height as? Something just like that? Two threes. So this sits, these screws, 16, we can put those screws at. 2 bricks to the top. We can put it like this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
There we go. Yeah, that's solid.
A little bit.
Put-
Both on there?
Yep.
All right.
The ball, right? The Lions offense, they'll finally get, a jab in there. So the most important thing of the Lions